What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. So talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, all right? Got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there. Got a lot of people impersonating me, making money, scamming people off my name. Please be aware. Please get a FaceTime verification call before y'all send y'all money, so you can make sure you see this face, make sure you're doing legit business, and you're getting what you paid for, all right? So be more aware, be more cautious before y'all send y'all money to these just random King Hussle pages. Y'all send y'all money to anybody, which is crazy. And before we get anything started, this is all educational and entertainment purposes only, not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get into it. So today I'm going to be talking about Reflex, and it's a credit card where you can get it for people with bad credit, and you can get up to $1,000. And after 6 months, they'll give you they'll increase your $1,000 to $2,000 as long as you got good payment history. And oh yeah, I got a bad tooth. I gotta get my tooth fixed tomorrow, so I can't put too much pressure on this side. So y'all see me talk a little funny, that's why. So take it easy on me, all right? So I know y'all get down. So back to it. So boom. A lot of people out there got bad credit, right? And a lot of people want to rebuild their credit. I'm not talking about the people who just want to get credit cards and loans to go buy things and not pay it back and then be right back in the hole. No, these videos that I make are for people who are trying to get their life back on track, trying to get their credit back, or trying to get their credit into a good standing, trying to get good credit so they can start elevating their life. Point blank period. There's a lot of people who just try to get these credit cards and loans to get them, get the money, go buy things that don't matter, and then be right back in the hole because y'all not trying to pay these loans back. Y'all not trying to pay back these credit cards. There's a lot of people out there like that. So today I'm going to be talking about Reflex, and like I said, you got bad credit. They're giving you up to $1,000 in an unsecured credit card, not secured, because if it's a secured credit card, you have to put up some type of collateral. You got to put up something in order for them to give you the money. But this is an unsecured credit card. The initial credit limit is $1,000, and it doubles up to $2,000 after 6 months of good payment history. Bad credit up to 300 FICO score is accepted. So if you got bad credit, you looking to start building your credit, getting it back into good standing, and you need a trade line to just add on your credit and get some money at the same time and start, making the right moves. This is one of those credit cards that you need to apply for. And like I said, there's a lot of bad credit cards out there. So if you get you $10,000, get you 10 credit cards that's with $1,000 credit limit, you now have $10,000 in credit cards and credit limit that you can use and utilize. All right, so take that into consideration when I'm giving you these videos that I'm about to start dropping with these credit cards, these bad credit cards. All right, so anybody out there with bad credit, need them a credit card up to $1,000, and you get good payment history after 6 months, they give you $2,000 and then keep raising it. So tap in with them. Reflex. All right, Continental Finance. Let's get into this video. Let's check them out. All right. Shit, excuse me. So today we're gonna be talking about Reflex. All right, Continental Finance. All right, enjoy the buying power of a Reflex Mastercard. All right. Initial credit limit up to $1,000, doubles up to $2,000. MasterCard zero liability protection, monthly reporting to the 3 major credit bureaus. That's Experian, Equifax, and Transparent, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Free monthly credit score available on electronic statements. All right, so their reputation. Continental Finance Company is proud of our customer feedback with more than 2.6 million credit cards managed since our founding. CFC provides itself on putting the customer first. We specialize in providing credit cards that help our customers build or establish credit with dignity and respect. If you have less than perfect credit, a CFC brand card can help you reestablish your credit history. So, highly rated financial service company, Continental Finance, one of America's leading marketers and servicers of credit cards for consumers with less than perfect credit, is proudly rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau. All right. So initial credit limit ranges from $300 to $1,000. A Reflex MasterCard with an initial credit limit that ranges from $300 to $1,000. Use your Reflex cards at locations everywhere MasterCard is accepted. Shopping, dining, even traveling are all in the future with your new Reflex credit card. Your Reflex credit card account can help you rebuild and improve your credit score when making your payments on time and you keep your balance under the credit limit. All right, so double your credit limit. When trying to build your credit, getting a credit limit increase is a milestone achievement. With Reflex MasterCard, your initial credit limit will double. Simply make a for 6 months monthly minimal payments on time. Enjoy peace of mind with MasterCard Zero Liability Protection. With MasterCard Zero Liability Protection, you will not be held responsible for unauthorized charges on your Reflex credit card. With zero fraud liability, you are only responsible for the purchases that you make, so you can shop with confidence and now know that your card is actively fully protected. Whatever you're shopping in the store, traveling abroad, or making online purchases, you can rely on Continental Finance to protect your Reflex credit card account. All right, monthly reporting to all three credit major bureaus. All right, so the Reflex credit card can be used as an active tool to build credit. Continental Finance assesses people who apply for a Reflex credit card with less than perfect credit. Continental Finance will report your payments to the three major credit bureaus: TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. Free monthly credit scoring. When you're active Reflex MasterCard, when you activate your Reflex MasterCard, you have to create an account. On the top features of the account is you get a free monthly credit score when you enroll in the e-statements. Every month you can check your score. If you're building credit for a first time or repairing credit, you can see the impact actions like making your monthly payments on time, have your credit score each month. All right, so tap in with them online account management mobile app, knowledgeable base. They got card protection, card holder agreement, privacy. Who is Celtic Bank? Who is Continental Finance? How do I apply for a Reflex card? It's a good card for people. How long does it take for to make the decision about my application? In most cases, we will provide an instant decision. However, in some cases, we need to collect additional information to make a decision on your Reflex credit card application, which can take up to 30 days. When will I receive my new credit card? After you apply for your credit and approved, it is very fast process to get your brand new credit card. If you're approved, your new credit card and will welcome materials containing important Reflex card info will be mailed within 3 days. All right. How do I activate my new card? Can I manage my Reflex card accounts online? So on and so on. So go check them out. Start off with $1,000. Then you, after 6 months, double up to $2,000 if you make good payment history, what you should be making. Make sure you making the get direct deposited out of your bank accounts. You should have a bank account, checking and savings, personal, so you won't have problems with having good payment history, and you'll be good to go. So, all right, so Reflex credit card, go get them. They'll help you boost your credit score ASAP and get you going on the right track. All right, so without further ado, let's talk about them. All right, so there we got it. Continental Finance Reflex Master Credit Card. All right, a lot of people need to start getting these offers. A lot of people need to start taking these offers. And like I said, once you take these offers and you get them, it's up to you to do what you need to do or not to do. All right. A lot of people want to play around. A lot of people want to get loans and credit cards just to go spend and buy things like they don't got to pay it back, like it won't reflect on their credit. And then it reflects on their credit. Then after a couple years, they're in a bad position. They still can't do nothing. They still got bad credit. So please, please, please understand that credit is the #1 money game in the world. Credit will get you everything that you need and want. Credit will get you that house. Credit will get you that car. Credit will get you that $1 million black card. Credit will get you that whatever that you need. Just please focus on getting y'all credit together. Focus on getting y'all business together, because like I said, all you got to do is get your personal credit together a little bit and then leverage it to your business credit. And business credit, you'll be able to get those high limit credit cards and loans way faster than you'll get them with your personal. And you'll actually be able to use the money it's meant to be spent. So if you get your $250,000 loan, you're meant to spend. They know you're going to spend that money. You're supposed to spend it on whatever you need, as long as you can pay that loan back. Long as you can, make monthly payments on that loan and pay it back, or pay it back faster than, what I'm saying, when it's supposed to be back. That's good. They want to see that, because that's showing them that you're good with money. You're good with business loans. You're good with, if we gave you $250,000 and you paid us back way before that is the due date, we're gonna give you a $500,000 loan next time because we've seen that you're able to handle that $250,000 loan, and that's what they want to see. You invest into the right things, you'll be blessed. Point blank period. A lot of people don't understand that. So when I'm making these videos about these credit cards and loans or bad credit, please understand, have your business together, have your personal bank account, checking and savings. Please have some money going in and out, roughly going in. Please have you pay stubs and bank statements and W-2s. Please have these documents and everything together. Please actually have some business going on paper, because like I said, a lot of people don't have jobs. A lot of people never filed taxes. A lot of people never had a bank account, and y'all trying to get these bad credit, high limit loans. Y'all not, of course, y'all not gonna get approved because y'all don't have nothing going on. I keep trying to tell y'all that. Y'all gotta get y'all some business. Y'all gotta get y'all some stuff going on, or you gotta put yourself in a position so you can have stuff on paper. That's why people who are in the streets, they start investing and cleaning up their money so they can have money on paper, so they can clean up their money and have a paper trail of businesses and things like that, so they can, you know what I'm saying, translate over to the business world. That's the main goal. Everybody want money, but how you think you gonna run a business or be a boss if you can't even do nothing the right way? You can't even get a bank account. You can't even get your start building your credit. You gotta be able to do these things if you think you're gonna be a boss in life. Just because you have money or think you're gonna have money doesn't mean you're gonna be able to do anything. No, you gotta have your things in order. It takes money to make money. Point blank period. It takes money to add these trade lines. It takes money to buy these buildings. It takes money to fix up the buildings for your business. It takes money to hire employees. It takes money to do everything that you need to do to run a successful business, and it costs a whole lot of money. So everybody out there that thinks they just want to get these loans and live life and not have to pay it back and be sneaky and get a CPN and do this and do that, wake up and smell the juice. No, you're not. Because like I told you guys before, people who get CPNs and build them, they know how to build credit. They know what they're doing. So the people who don't know how to do it, and hey, that's on them. And I'm not telling anybody to get a CPN, but there's so many people out there that want a CPN, and they don't understand that the people who are mastering these CPNs are people who know how to build credit, who know how to build business credit, who know how to do it the right way. Once you know how to do it the right way, you know how to do it the wrong way, because you know what they're looking for in order for it to be successful. All right. So like I said, I'm not telling anybody go do a CPN. I'm not telling anybody do anything. This is all educational entertainment purposes only. But make sure you go check out Continental Finance Reflex MasterCard. $1,000 after 6 months, $2,000. They're gonna double up. They're gonna help you build your credit and get you where you need to be. All right. Make sure, remember, you need at least 5 credit cards on your credit report, on your credit profile, to be in good standing. All right. So shout out to everybody that's been tapping in, all my new subscribers, old subscribers, my new fans, my old fans, the people that's been rocking with me, my real H&E family members, man. Shout out to y'all, man, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping the sauce and keep y'all entertained, all right? So shout out to y'all. Still looking for people for the production company. Y'all already know music reviews is $200. You don't got $200 to invest into yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 into your career? Make it make sense. You're not going to be able to go to anywhere else and record label A&R and be like, hey, I'm the next best thing. I'm the hottest rapper. You need to sign me. None of that. It's not going to happen, all right? They want to see how much you're grinding, how much hard work you put into your craft, and what you're willing to do, because you gotta think about it. A lot of people get they money and they just slow up, they stop, and they get comfortable. No, I'm not making no bad investments. So if you're not willing to invest in yourself, I'm not willing to invest in you. Music reviews, $200. Still looking for models, actors, rappers, content creators, producers, and cameraman. All right, so make sure y'all tap it in. Unlimited gems is $500. And right now I got a promotional deal going on. $1,500, I'll give you the unlimited gems for $500. And I will, $1,500, you get the unlimited gems. And I'm going to create you a YouTube automation channel with me. And we're going to start making money together, passive income. So we make it $20,000 a month. I get 10, you get 10. Point blank period. We're going to create the channel together. We don't got to show our face. We don't got to do anything. All we got to do is outsource the videos for our niche. We're going to pick a niche, outsource the videos, post them, and continue the process and start making money. All right, so anybody looking to do that, it's gonna be $1,500. Tap in with me. We're gonna start making passive income together for years to come. What else I got going on? Book your seat right now in the in-person crypto tour. $3,500 in state, $4,500 out of state. I gotta come out of state to you. It's gonna be $4,500. $3,500 you come in state to me. $500 deposit to book your seat and pick the date. Once the day comes and we meet in person, you pay the rest of the money and we go on from there. We get the lessons, you get your information, you get all that stuff that you need. I'm doing mentorships for $3,000, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. It's your boy King Hussle, back to making these videos. I'm going to keep pushing through this little tooth problem, but I'm going to make sure I drop these gems. I'm going to make sure I drop this content, keep giving y'all these lessons and give y'all the sausage y'all need to be successful so we can all win together, man. It's your boy King Hussle, and I'll see y'all at the next video. Peace.